Today we have a great question. Can I use fonts from my computer in Cricut Design Space? This is the Creative Crafters Podcast. Hi, I'm Bette from Bette's Makes, and this is your questions answered. And of course you can use fonts from your computer. That is the whole basis of a lot of the fonts. Yes, Cricut provides a ton of fonts, but here are some ways that you can use fonts from your own system. Of course, when you open Design Space and you start or open a project, you can click on the text option. Of course, that's on the left-hand side. Type out your desired text on the canvas and then go up to the toolbar. Click on Font in the drop-down menu in the toolbar, and then you'll see the word System at the top. Once you click on System, you are going to get a listing of all the fonts that you have on your own system. Those are the free fonts that you've downloaded from Creative Fabrica or Font Bundles. Everything that you have loaded in there and installed on your own computer will be listed right here inside of Design Space. So it is the System option that gives you that ability. Then you can scroll through all of those fonts and pick the one you're looking for. Now, quite often you will have so many fonts, it's pretty tough to manage. So I have another little option that you can use, and it's called wordmark.it. If you go there, then you will be able to type in a phrase and it will show you all the fonts that you have in your system. And you'll be able to scroll through and see the ones you want. Now with WordMarket, it is only a display option, but once you find the name of the font that you like you have in your system, it'll be much easier to find once you go back into Design Space and click on System, because then you know what you're looking for specifically. Having a long list is really tough sometimes because you scroll through and through and through, but if you know the name, it is going to be a lot easier. So all you need to do then is choose your desired font from the list of fonts installed on your computer, and your text in Design Space will now be displayed in the chosen font. Now, reminder, if you're sharing projects or using it Make It Now feature, collaborators will also need to have that same font or they're not going to be able to use it within your project. So that is one little reminder. So in conclusion, using fonts from your computer in Cricut Design Space expands all your creative possibilities. And yes, you can use anything from your own system that you have downloaded and installed. This has been the Creative Crafters Podcast and your questions answered.